If you're a student in 2026 and you're still not using AI tools effectively in your workflow, then I need you to stop whatever you're doing right now. Trust me, the gap between students who know how to leverage these tools and those who don't is growing faster than ever. The internet is filled with thousands of best AI tools lists, but most of them only talk about features. They rarely show you how these tools can actually be used in real-world student workflows. So today, I'm going to do something different. Instead of just showing you a list of tools, I'll walk you through exactly how students can use them to study smarter, stay organized, complete projects faster, and gain a real advantage in both academics and their careers. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to The AI Learning and keep watching. Let's start with the one problem that every final year student faces: applying for internships and jobs. If your resume isn't passing ATS filters, then honestly, all your hard work can go to waste. And this is where having the right document tool is non-negotiable. This brings me to a tool that I personally use for my entire workflow: Wondershare PDFelement. What actually happens is we download a nice PDF resume template from the internet, but when we try to edit our own details inside it, the entire formatting breaks. So to fix this problem, you can use PDFelement, an all-in-one PDF solution powered by AI. So this is a resume template, and I need to update my name and make the profile section a little more recruiter friendly. With PDFelement, you just go to edit mode and all the text becomes editable instantly. I changed the name to Paru Sharma right here. Now to fix the profile section, the moment I selected all the text, an AI feature pop-up appeared right at the top. And honestly, this is the best part. From here, you can generate images from selected text, summarize, explain, grammar check, rewrite, detect AI writing, and even translate into your own language. So I went ahead and hit rewrite, and it converted the profile into a much more professional, recruiter-friendly sentence. Then I replaced the original with the new version. Done. From chat with PDF, you can ask anything related to your resume directly, like summarize the whole resume, and it gave a short, clean summary instantly. Now, some people add a declaration at the end of their resume and sign it, confirming that all the information provided is correct. So, to sign it, go to Protect, click Sign Document, drag your signature where needed and save. And if you want to convert this PDF into Word, just click PDF to Word right here. And it converted perfectly without breaking anything. Apart from this, if you have an old physical certificate, just scan it, use the OCR feature, and it becomes fully editable text in one click. The link for Wondershare PDFelement is right at the top of the description. I highly recommend you download it for free and give it a try. Next comes studying after job applications. If you're working on a literature review or preparing for exams, simply relying on Google search is becoming outdated. Instead, you should use NotebookLM. Just upload all your semester notes, PDF chapters, and relevant YouTube links into one place. Then you can ask it something like, create a 10-question quiz from chapter 4. What makes NotebookLM special is that it generates answers only from the material you've uploaded, which significantly reduces the chances of inaccurate or made-up information. It can even transform your notes into an audio podcast, allowing you to listen and revise while traveling, exercising, or doing other activities. So rather than spending hours searching through multiple sources, you can turn your study materials into a personalized, AI-powered learning assistant. Now let's talk about tech students. If you're building your capstone project, then having Cursor is almost a must. It looks and feels very similar to VS Code, but the difference is that AI is built into it natively. You can simply give instructions in plain English, such as add a login form with validation. Cursor will analyze your entire code base, understand the project structure, and automatically update the relevant files for you. To keep track of all these things, you need a proper system. That's where Notion comes in. Use Notion to create a dedicated semester dashboard. Create a separate page for each class or subject and maintain a master database that contains all your assignments, projects, deadlines, and important tasks in one place. This gives you a clear overview of everything you need to work on without constantly switching between apps or notes. Then every Sunday, spend a few minutes reviewing your dashboard. In less than 30 seconds, you'll be able to see your priorities, upcoming deadlines, and plan your entire week with clarity. So guys, these were some of the tools that can completely transform both your student life and your career in 2026. If you'd like to try PDFelement, you'll find the link right at the top of the description. Make sure to check it out and download it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the AI Learning.